everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and we have Sharanya here. Sharanya is my daughter and she is going to help us make the recipe today. Today's recipe is going to be of Modak. Since the Ganpati is approaching, we will be making Modak today but using a microwave. So I will be showing you a variation of cooking, but the recipe is the same, the taste remains the same. Today we will see how to make Modak using a microwave. So let's get started.
Modak.
Yes. In another mixing bowl, add 1 cup of jaggery.
Jaggery. It's jaggery.
Yes, it is jaggery.
I want to taste.
Okay. After putting the jaggery in it, we will go ahead and microwave it till the jaggery starts to melt for about 2 minutes. Let us go ahead and check on the jaggery if it has melted. Alright, the jaggery has melted. Let us go ahead and add the grated coconut and the cardamom into it. Alright, I had kept it to melt for about 1 minute in a microwave on high power. The jaggery has melted well and nice. Let us go ahead and add cardamom to it. So cardamom would be about 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder.
Cardamom.
Yes, this is a cardamom powder along with the skin. Get a very nice aroma of the cardamom right now. It smells so delicious. The color has almost become very nice and caramelized color. Let us go ahead and add the grated coconut into it. This is 1 cup of grated coconut. Mix it well. Add another cup of 1.5 cups of grated coconut.
I want to taste and see.
Now 2 cups in all. Taste, it's very hot, baby. After mixing it well and nice, we will allow it to microwave it on high power for 1 minute. Okay. Alright, now I had kept it in the microwave after adding the grated coconut. I had kept it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. In between, I gave it a nice mix. Now,
Very hot.
yes, it is very hot. Now we will allow.
Smoke.
Yes, that's the steam. Now we will allow the grated coconut and this cardamom and jaggery mixture to come to a room temperature. In the meantime, we will get our dough ready. In a microwave safe vessel, pour 2 cups of water. Into it, add a pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 2 to 3 drops of ghee into it. Mix it and microwave it for 2 minutes or till the water boils. Alright, now the water has come to a boil. Now let us pour this water immediately into the mixing bowl. And now we will add the flour into it when the water is very hot. Add the rice flour. This is 1 cup of rice flour. Slowly into it. This is 2nd cup. So add 2 cups of rice flour in the hot water and mix it well.
Water?
Yes. Alright, now the rice flour has come to a room temperature. Let us go ahead and knead it nicely. Let us go ahead and knead it and make it a soft dough. You also want to make it soft dough.
Okay, I want to also make a soft dough of it.
Okay. Alright, now the dough. Alright, now our dough is ready. Let us make small balls out of it. Alright, now our balls are ready. I have made this size balls out of the dough. Now let us go ahead and make modak out of it. Take very little water in a small bowl so that we can make the shapes of the modak. So I will be showing you how to make the shape of the modak. Take a ball. Dip your fingers with water and with both of your thumbs start pressing at the center. So that a bowl shape starts to form. Okay, now the correct consistency has reached. You can see a bowl has formed very nicely. Now let us fill it with the filling that we have made. The filling of the jaggery and the coconut and the cardamom. Press it from the sides. Like this. Make it a nice star kind of a thing. Now start to seal it. Now we get a very nice modak shape. Modak. So you will get something like this.
Look at this.
Do the same with the rest of the balls as well. Okay, now our modaks are ready. Let us go ahead and steam it in the steamer, microwave steamer, for about 6 minutes on high power. In a steamer, this is a microwave safe steamer. I am going to pour in very little water, just like the way we did for Kolkata. pour in very little water and I'm going to place the steamer above this. But this time I am not going to use the idli maker. I am straight away going to place my modak in it and steam it on high power. Yes, in it goes the modaks. We'll go ahead and steam it. Close it with the lid and microwave it on high power for 6 minutes.
That's so cute, baby. That's so cute, baby. Baby.
What is so cute? What is so cute? Huh? Alright, it's now 6 minutes. Let us go ahead and check on the modak if it is ready.
I'm making Modak. Where is the my bowl of
Whole wheat flour is not there for this recipe. Okay, now the modak. Now it's been 6 minutes in the microwave. Let us go ahead and allow it to cool a bit before serving it. Alright, now the modak has cooked well and nice. Let us allow it to cool a bit before serving it. Into a serving dish.
For the Gampati?
Yes.
This one is for the Gampati?
Yes.
This is for the Shoni Mama?
Yes.
Tama Shoni Mama.
Yes. Okay. Making modak. Well friends, that was microwave modak recipe for you. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. We enjoyed making it. We will go ahead and taste this delicious modak once it comes to your room temperature. Well friends, please do give it a try and tell me how your modak recipe using a microwave turned out. Also, do post in your comments and feedbacks on the comment box below. Do check out my website www.veenaskitchen.com for more recipes. Wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturti. Thanks so much for watching Veena's Kitchen.
I can't see that from the door.
Okay.
Hello, you will see? You also see everybody.